Autumn leaves are blowing on the wind and right into your nails. Up next. Hello, my most glamorous besties. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. And yes, I am doing another aquarium set. I'm obsessed, guys. I'm sorry. I cannot stop myself. When I made the set for Saturday last week, if you watched all the way through, you heard me say, oh my God, guys, fall leaves and aquarium nails. Yes. So you also saw the funniest, coolest thing happen. And I'm not going to tell you what that was. If you know what it is, leave it in the comment section. Other people can go watch the full video so they can see that moment too, because it was crazy. So we are speeding up today. I have made a ton of aquarium nails on the channel. I'm going to link them all for you in the little doobly-doo, as the Green Brothers would say. And that way you can watch them all. But maybe I'll just make you a playlist too, okay? So we're just going to speed it up because you've seen it before, but it's really cool today. And I'm so excited about this set, even though there's something, and we'll talk about it later. There you go. It's the same thing that always happens for me, but we'll get there. So I'm making the backs, and this is the order: Builder Gel, Cure. Color Gel, as many coats as you're going to do, Cure. Then I come in with whatever top coat I'm using. In this instance, it's a glitter top coat. I love glitter top coats on the back of aquarium nails. And then don't cure, stick the nails in the gel and push it down a little bit so it really gets in there, and then cure. And then this is where we're at with that. Cut off the excess. And then after that, you're going to do a few more things. We're going to file, and we'll get to all of it. It's all pretty sped up though. I sped it all up. Just, because I've done this a lot, and I just thought it would be nice to have a quick version of this. I don't know why my camera's moving and why I didn't notice that when I was editing. That's crazy. So I apologize. So that was just a 3D builder gel, or 3D blah, blah, blah gel. And I just patted out really flat, stuck it in the bottom, or the bottom in it, pulled out off what was extra and cured it. Then I do like to just come in with a little builder gel and fill that up. I was off camera for that, so I apologize. And I did add the color at the bottom as well, just for uniformity, right? Then you just really gently file off the sides, any extra bit. And now this is my foolproof insurance method to make the aquarium nails work. I use builder gel, not builder gel, a base coat. I use a base coat, and I completely encase the aquarium tank, because that's basically what you're making, is a tank, right? To fill up with pretty stuff. And I go, of course, all the way down the back, and you will top coat the back as well for that beautiful shine. You want everything protected as well. And just make sure, especially the bottom and those edges where the back meets the nail, you want that completely encased in builder gel. And that is really just your insurance method or insurance policy to make sure you don't get any leakage. And I do the same thing with my top coat. So my tank is completely encapsulated in gel, and there's no way you're going to get any of that oil out. So I like to start with a little bit of oil first. I'm not sure if that's good or bad, but that gel that you plug up the bottom or the top with, if you do the top first, I'm a bottom first girl. That sounded funny. We're not going to discuss that. It's going to have a sticky layer in there. So I like to get the oil in there to like sort of cover that up. It works to varying degrees. I always get some glitter stickage on the back of the nail. So all of my things, I try to keep that from happening, don't work. Now that we're filled up and everything's in there, and it was leaves and gold glitter, and let me tell you right now, I used too much gold glitter. It's okay though. It still looks really awesome, but I think a little less would be better. Now we are using the Gelish polish today. That's what the red was as well. It's the Gelish Cream Gels. If you saw that unboxing video I did recently, actually it was probably a couple months ago, um, that I bought a bunch of stuff from the nail company, um, then you'll see it. You'll see it. You've seen it. I will put it up in the doobly doo with some aquarium sets that I've done, so you guys can check that out. I really like the gelish pots. There you can see a little edge of that right there. It came in a rectangle um, case, and then the individual pots just pop out. It's nice. I like it. It's a little more sheer than I might want it to be, but it does cure really nicely, so you can't really fault that. And guys, on this thumbnail, which I'm focusing on two nails for you guys today, the thumbnail and the index finger. On the index finger and all the other two nails that aren't aquarium, there's two aquariums and three that are going to be plaid. So it's totally just a full fall set. Think a plaid jacket or a plaid scarf around your neck, maybe a plaid skirt, but that's where we're at today, fully fall. And we're going to do, I'm not going to I'm not going to try to represent the full plaid pattern on each nail, almost like you're zooming into part of it, right? We're going to do this one long stroke all the way down. And as you can see, like I said, I wish this had the tiniest bit more opacity, but honestly, for the plaid nail, I think it works just fine, giving you that sort of muted black, which I enjoy in a plaid. So there's that. And then almost like a buffalo plaid where you cross it, it's going to be a little bit deeper. So I like that as well. It all worked out. It all worked out. If you're feeling really, really religious, you could just do a long white cross. That would be really cool. Um, Christian, of course. I mean, I don't know other religions that use the cross. I don't know all of them though. So correct me if I'm wrong. I love to learn stuff. And you cannot, that if you're going to learn something, you have to accept the fact that you're coming from either one of two places, a place of ignorance or a place of wrong. Either you're wrong about something and you're about to learn right, or you just don't know about it at all, which I think a lot of people think being ignorant is a bad thing. I don't think it really is. I think it just means you've got some stuff that you don't know. And which one of us don't have things that we don't know? I don't know everything about the world. You don't know everything about the world. None of us do. So, I mean, some of us know more than others, but again, that's not a judgment. That's how it is, right? You've been busy. So don't beat yourself up. So now we're just coming in. This is a different cream gel. This is by Model Ones. There was not a silver in the gelish, so we're skipping over to Model Ones real quick for one stripe. And I did take off anything that got on the black, but you don't have to choose that. You can let your stripe go through the black. I just decided to go with it not going through the black, and that's fine. Now we are coming in to just give a little more love to that blend on the black. I still don't love it, guys. I just don't. I think this particular cream gel doesn't lend itself that much, at least the black, to ombreing onto clear. So in that instance, I kind of wish I'd used my D&D, just regular gel polish. I think it would have worked better, but we're not upset. It's a live and learn moment. And in that was a case of being ignorant. I was ignorant of whether or not that would ombre well. I found out I don't enjoy it. I think it would be fine on a color, like onto the red or onto that wine that came with it. There's actually two reds in there as well. So, and there's also a glitter. So we're going to play with it some more. It's perfect for winter and fall looks. So we're going to play with that some more before things warm back up next year. We are getting close to Christmas, so I think my next set will be something Christmassy. If you have any requests, make sure you hit me up. Now, we are doing the plaids in a matte top coat, which is by Beetles, and our shiny top coat is by Gelin, and this is our look. And look, the bubbles are perfect. The amount of oil in there is great. The gold glitter looks amazing. Um, my my leaves don't move as much as I'd like. There's that. So, you guys, let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. I really do appreciate you guys coming by, spending some time with me every single time that you do. And we will see you again this week with some more shorts and another video on Saturday. Guys, don't forget, if you remembered or you didn't hear last time, I do have a coupon code now with Savalon, and that is going to be down in the description for you guys. It's 20% off, so you definitely want to check that out. There's a link. Go ahead and click that. And if it doesn't show up, use code Glam Tones to get that reduction. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.